Many Kenyans had hoped that the regulations put in place by both the Central Bank of Kenya and the National Treasury that included the introduction of the Kenya Bankers Reference Rate would help reduce interest rates on loans. With the minimum interest rates on loans being charged by banks currently at 15%, National Treasury Cabinet Secretary Henry Rotich seems to admit that curbing the high interest rates is an efficiency challenge his ministry has to contend with. He, however, says that all is not lost and a committee has been put in place to review how best the interest rates could be brought down.
The interest rate spread here continues to be very high. As you know, lending rates remain at a range of about 15 and above. And the deposit rates are far much below that, meaning that the difference between the lending rate and the deposit rate still remain high. That signifies that there are still efficiency challenges in our system here. And we, as you are aware, I have chaired a committee at the Treasury who is looking at these issues.
At the same time, Rotich says that new regulations are being developed to control the activities of the non-deposit taking credit microfinance institutions to protect consumers' interests in the country. He says the new regulations will be based on the proposed financial services bill being drafted.
In terms of credit-only institution, issues of truth in lending is very important. Transparent, interest rates are also very key, and the issues of consumer protection. So these are the things that we would like to address in the regulation, so that customers are not exploited or face challenges because of the excesses that normally happens in credit-only institutions. I'm not saying that we have already seen this in our system, but certainly that is the rationale for us to regulate.
Rotich called on microfinance institutions to help bridge the huge housing gap in the country through innovative credit provisions that would help lower the cost of houses.
You can't get houses, cheap houses, here in Kenya. The cheapest houses you can get is in the range of 6.5 million and above. This is not affordable to most Kenyans. We are looking at how to use alternative technologies, get efficient credit so that we can lower the cost.
Lesego Microfinance has been in the country for the last 7 years and is targeted to convert into a full-fledged bank in 2 years' time. Nicholas Ndwati, Business Insight.